How to manage your PowerPoint notifications easily and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to PowerPoint, this is the home page. Now click on any document right here and go to the top corner, click on those three dots, scroll down and click on the settings option right here, the last option. Click on it. It will take you to this page. Now right here you will find notifications option. Click on push notifications and here you can manage your PowerPoint notifications very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you later.